Alright, we're going to do the main blade grip assembly here. First thing to note, I went out and purchased the T-Rex 500 rubber dampener bag. I just wanted to compare the dampeners that come with the Flasher kit to the actual Align dampeners. And they're pretty similar looking, but the Flashers are a little bit squishier. So the Align dampeners, if you want a little bit less play in your head, then the Align dampeners are probably the ones you want to go with. These are fine. There's nothing wrong with these. They're really good quality. They're just a little bit softer. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the dampeners into the head. And before I do that, I want to make sure that I've lubed up the dampeners. So I'm going to use my car shock oil that I love so much. It's pure silicone oil. And I do this usually with a Q-tip to be a little bit less messy. And I just get a bunch of oil all over this. And then I'll also do the same thing in the center hub here, and then get that in there, wipe off some excess, and then do the same thing with the other side, put it on, get the inside here. Alright, now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert the spindle shaft into the head, making sure to keep the dampeners in the center hub. Hopefully that was on camera. So I'll place the spindle in, the dampeners are still in the center hub there. And then these brass washers, or spacers, go on. Just like so. There's two ball bearings, enclosed ball bearings in the grip. There's one on the end here and then one inside the grip. So it's a two ball bearing design. And then you've got, similar to the tail blade grips, you have a thrust washer. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is put in this washer. So the washer goes against the closed bearing. And then, knowing that we've got the small diameter and the outer diameter and the larger diameter. Alright, so this is the order I'm going to go in. Just make sure that everything is lubed up. Okie dokie. You can never have too much lube. Ever. So, small diameter. Then you want the closed side of the ball bearing towards the small diameter end, and then the large diameter. Okay, now we'll place it in the grip. Now you've got the washer in already. It's in the grip. And now, get out the thread lock. Screw, do cap screw. Gives a little bit of thread lock on there. Now you want it in the threads really well, but you don't want it to be overflowing. The last thing you want to do is get thread lock inside the bearing. So now that that's in there, we'll go ahead and place the grip on. Now we'll thread it in. And that's blade grip assembly, and then we'll just repeat the process on the other side.